White is what happens when someone puts a hit between you and me. Okay, practice this with me. White, white. Your hand is open and then it's going to close as it moves away from your body. These are short, fast movements. So it's white, 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 white. Is, have your I and your S, is, what, what, happens, happens, hap, happen, happens, happens, When, put your lead finger around your support hand finger. It goes out, down, and back around, and it ends touching your support finger. When, someone, some, one, someone, puts, it's a P hand, then it goes to a U, and then the S ending, puts. P is down, U is out, S is to the same side. Puts. Just A, hit. H hand, your lead hand hits your support finger. Hit. You're doing this on your support side too. Hit. Between. So you're just right between your finger and the end of your hand here. You're kind of just letting it be known you're right in between. Between. You. And me. Okay, say it now. White is what happens when someone puts a hit between you and me. Or white is what happens when someone puts a hit between you and me.